Hello once again and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to create Bing ads campaign. Now, once you go to Microsoft.com and to your Bing's account, here I'm already logged in. You will notice that at the top here, we have the search, we have the import, we have the merchant center, asset library, and all this. So here, this is the place where you do your imports. So you will click on import. And you notice you can import from Google Ads, you can import from Facebook Ads, you can import from Pinterest Ads, you can also import from a file, and then you can also import schedule and history. Now, to create a campaign, you simply click on create here. You click on that plus, and you notice what is the goal of this campaign. You select the campaign here, whichever you want to do that on. And again, from the same, you can also import the same way we said, import from Google Ads here. And that's what we want to do. We don't want to create it from scratch. We want to import it from Google Ads. So back here, where we want to import at the top here, you need to create Google Ads. And now to create your Google Ads, you simply go to ads.google.com, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. If you already have a Google Ads account, you sign in. If you don't have, you click on Start Now. So I'll click on Start Now, and it will take me to my Google Ads, and I want to create a new campaign. So here I'll give my business name. I'll call my business Victoria's Fashions, and this is where you give your business name. Then you will click on Next. And this is where you put your website you have for your business. So I'll paste it there and click on next. And then it will scan my website to learn about my business and get suggestions for my campaign. And then I can choose either the mobile or the desktop. I want to choose the desktop here. Then down here, I click on next. So after that, what's your main advertising goal? You can select one here. Is it to get more costs, or to get more website sales or leads, or to get more visits to your physical location? Whatever it is, you click on it and then you click on next. In my case, I'll leave it on get more costs. So I'll click on next. And now it's time to write your ad. You put your ad here. So for instance, you've been given samples here. Headlines that you want, original creative ads, and then whatever it is. So you also do the descriptions here. Down here, you write all the descriptions that you want. You can also add more description here. And then you can add your phone number and show a call button in your ad. So this way you add the number that will be shown on a call button. And then you click on next. And then here you add the keyword themes to match your searches. Let me just put fashion videos. Then you can add any other. You notice here they have already been selected, but you can also add others down here. Maybe you want to add a relaxing videos. You click on that and then you add it. And then you click on next down here. And then here, this is where you advertise to show your location. You can adjust the distance here, maybe up to 50 kilometers. You notice if I increase that on this side, the map adjusts to the distance that I want. And then down here, if I'm satisfied with that, I click on next. And then you can set a budget to get the results you want. Maybe the budget, you can set it here, maybe 5 or 6, whichever budget that you want, you click on that. And then you can also enter your own budget here. If you click on that, enter your own budget, you can adjust this to the budget that you target. But with a lower budget than your competitor range, your ads may not get the noticeable results. So you don't put it so low. So we'll put it at 5.2 and then we click on next. And then here you review your campaign to be sure that it is right. My campaign name is videos and subscribers. And then I need the campaign goal is to have phone calls. So, and this is still editable. So we can even change this name to something else. Videos and subscribers. We'll just call it Victoria's Fashions campaign, and then I'll click on save. So you can edit all these other details, including the phone number, the descriptions that we said, and then including the budget, the keywords, then you click on next. Then next here, you confirm your payment information, you add the payment method, and then once you are done, you will click on submit. But you notice currently you have not added any payment method. You can also add a debit or credit card. Now, once you create that campaign, we will go back to our Bing, and now at the top here, we are going to click on import and then import from Google Ads. And then sign in with Google. So you set your campaigns up and running quickly by importing them directly from Google Ads. Remember, you have created that already in Google Ads. So we click on sign in with Google, and then you select the account here that you want to log in with. So I select one account there. And then here you select what you will allow for that account to do. Basically, whether you want it to see, edit, create, and delete your Google Ads account and all that. So you can check. And then once you're satisfied with that, you click on continue down here. And then now it will load. So give it time to load your campaigns. If you have many campaigns, it may take time. Then you'll have created your campaign on Bing. Then you'll have created your Bing Ads campaign. If you look at the notifications here, this is where you receive your notifications for your advertisements campaign. If you look at the notifications here, this is where you receive your notifications for your advertisements. So if now I go back after importing, you notice our Victoria Fashions campaign has been added there, plus the budget, plus the optimization, plus the campaign type. And so you notice it has all the details that we added here. And so that is how you create Bing Ads campaign, and by creating them from Google and exporting them to Bing Ad. And if I want to view that, I'll click on that and view my campaign. And here it is. And here is my campaign, like it has been added. And so you notice my campaign has been added here and it's still editable. You notice this edit pen. So I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video. So I hope this has been helpful, and that is how you create Bing Ads campaign by simply exporting them from Google Ads. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.